Here we come to the main elevators at the Renaissance Battle House Hotel in downtown Mobile, Alabama. These are the main elevators here, and I do have to talk over the music, but I can't really keep noising. I really can't keep rambling all the time because I don't want to be too extremely loud, but I have no other choice than to mute the audio if that's not the case. But anyways, let's ride. Here we go. These are ThyssenKrupp, and we got this one right here. I don't know right now. This one's kind of small. I think these obviously replaced an old manual elevator. 8. Oh, it's open. 8 is unlocked. Nathan Elevating Denver had just recently filmed these, and the floors were locked off at that time when he was here. I love these buttons. I've never seen these buttons before. These elevators are increasingly busy, so it may be incredibly hard to get a good video. A ThyssenKrupp trick. Anyways, do y'all know what kind of these buttons these are? What kind of fixtures are these? I've never seen these kind of fixtures before on a ThyssenKrupp. This looks like a tasteful mod. This obviously replaced a manual elevator. See, look how small. Look at this cab. Look at this cab design. Especially with this 45-degree angle into the corner. Look in the door. Who do you see? Hi. If there are people out there, I'm not going to point the camera out. I'm going to go ahead and send this up, and we're going to get that one from over there. Anyways, I'm sorry I have to mute the audio, so I will come back. I will unmute when I get in the elevator car. All right, here's the other elevator car, 8, 7, 6. 8 and 7 are locked on these elevators. I think people might be getting on. Your floor?
1.
I get a much better cabbie since I didn't even get one. Since I got interrupted during the ride. There's your cab view. All right, there it goes. And before I go, I'm gonna get a quick view. See, look at this beautiful lobby. I gotta show that on video. See, look how beautiful lobby. Look how beautiful this lobby is. Look at this. All right, let's get one last view of this, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video to avoid getting copyright music. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. That'll be it.